Hi guys, in this video I will show you the secret indicators you might be searching for that can read the chart and predict the future market price with a really high accuracy. Again, in this video I am going to give you a full tutorial on how to use this tool correctly so that you can make consistent profits from absolutely any market. Okay, to help us in creating content like this, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So we currently opened the chart of the Ethereum USDT on the 5-minute time frame. This indicator shows great results on all time frames, including a 1-minute chart. So in order to add the indicators to the chart, you need to head over to the indicator tab over here and then search for the market bias. It's going to be this script right here, created by a professor. Now, go to the setting of the indicator. And on this input section, you're going to change this period to 25 and this smoothing to 9. Then go to the style section and uncheck this Heiken smoothed checkbox and click OK. Now, this market bias indicator is used to measure the movement of price and what is happening within the market, and then to forecast the future overall direction of the market. It can also be used as a support and resistance where price will pull back to or reverse from. Now, when the price moves below the indicator like this and pulls back to it, you will start looking for trade entry confirmation from the other two indicators of this strategy. Before, you will enter a short trade like this, and you will set your stop loss this recent price peak. The opposite happened when the price crossed above the market bias indicator at this point, and you could have placed another long trade like this. Now, when the color of the indicator is strong like here, it shows more market participants in that particular direction. And when it starts becoming more light, just like here, it shows weakness in the market or a pullback, which you will then confirm with the other indicators before you enter any trade. Now, let's add the buy and sell indicator, which is the second indicator of this strategy. So, go to the indicators tab again and search for the chandelier exit indicator and click on this one by Everget. Then go to the setting of the indicator, and in this input section, you are going to change this ATR period to 1. Then go to the style section and uncheck all these options except for the buy and sell labels, and then click OK. Now you can see that when you got this sell signal from the chandelier exit indicator, the price reversed and started a downward movement. In this way, confirming the trade you took with the market bias indicator. The opposite happened when you got this buy signal here. Notice that when price reversed to the upside direction and above the market bias indicator. Now, let's add the third indicator. So go over to the indicators tab again and search for the Ultra RSI indicator and click on this one by Donovan Wall. Now, go to the setting of the indicator to filter out some of the market noise in the indicator. So on this input section, you are going to change this source to open and this RSI type to Langer. Then go to the style section and uncheck this overbought and oversold threshold and the bar color and click OK. You can see that when you got this sell signal from the chandelier exit indicator, this candle has closed below the market bias indicator and the Ultra RSI indicator bands had changed to red and below the center line, in this way making this short trade. You entered here a high quality trade because it had 3 indicators confirming the signal. The opposite happened when you got this buy signal here. Notice that the 3 conditions met at this point, which then confirms this long trade as well. This indicator uses these red and green bands to determine the volume of buyers and sellers in the market and the direction of the market. You can see that the bands before changing to either green or red, showing you that there is weakness in the market and that price is about to reverse. Now, you are only supposed to enter any trade with this strategy when you get confirmation from these 3 indicators. Now, let's show more examples of buying and selling signals from these 3 indicators. Here is an example of a buying setup. We are trading on the Solana USDT contract and the 5-minute time frame. When you got this buy signal from the chandelier exit indicator, the market bias indicator changed to green, and the price crossed above the exit indicator, which was an early sign of a possible trend reversal to the upside direction. Notice that the bands of the Ultra RSI indicator had also changed from red to green, and above the center line. And you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at the low here and extended your profit target to a 4.2 risk to reward ratio. This is because all the conditions met at this point. Here is another example of a selling setup, and we are trading on the Cardano USDT contract and on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that price was moving above market bias indicator before it moved below the indicator. Then you got this sell signal from the chandelier exit indicator, and the market bias indicator changed to red, which was an early sign of a trend reversal. Notice that the Ultra RSI bands had also changed from green to red and below the center line. And you could have placed a short trade like this at the close of this candle and set up your stop loss at this recent high and target 1.7 risk to reward ratio. This is because all the conditions met at this point. Now, let's show this again, but in the opposite direction. Here is another example of a buying setup, and we are trading on the Polkadot USDT contract and on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see that price was moving downwards before the price reached this place and the price tried reversing, and the market bias indicator changed to green, and the price crossed above the indicator, which was an early sign of a possible trend reversal to the upside direction. Then you got this buy signal from the chandelier exit indicator. Notice that the bands of the Ultra RSI indicator had also changed from red to green, and you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at the low here and extend your profit target to a 1.7 risk to reward ratio. This is because all the conditions met at this point. So the strategy literally works with any financial asset, whether it's crypto, stocks, or Forex. Now please, click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you.